Thank you and goodbye.
What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is June the 19th. We are out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. We just went and did a consultation in Suwanee for a contractor that found me online. Going to be a sanding job, so I want to have one of my sanding crews, actually Raphael, who's actually doing a job for me now in Midtown. And then we're going to be doing another sanding that I'm going to be doing a Screen Recoat Monday with UV Cure. They're going to start the sanding on that job Tuesday, and then the job in Suwanee, it's a small sanding job, like 800 square feet. We're going to be doing that Thursday. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today, me and Tavares. And then after this, we got another consultation in Alpharetta. So this is the property of Mr. Jeff. Very cool guy. Also, again, found me on Google, watched some of my videos. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is just a cleaning. We're just going to clean these floors really good. You can kind of see when they picked up the rug, you just see, you know, how the floors just got some type of residue on it. So this should do a little quick walkthrough. So I did come out here and do an in-home consultation about 2 weeks ago. So what we're going to be doing, guys, we're not doing anything down there. And it's one of those homes, like if you look at this wood, they love that characteristics of the old looking wood in these type of homes. So we're going to be doing all this wood here, coming through, not moving any furniture, all through here. Now you see these little spots, like something kind of ate through the stain. I'm going to do my best, just, you know, just out of courtesy, to try to fill some color in with those. Then we're going to be doing through here. Then we're going to go around the furniture. Be careful with the rug. So they just folded the rug back through here by the chimney. Not going to go into Jeff's office, and then here into the master's. We're going to go around, and we're also going to go into the master closet around the island. So you see like these smudge marks and things like that. So that's, see right here. So that's one of the issues why Jeff is getting the floors clean today. All right, guys. Beautiful property. Look at all that greenery. You know, I've been in Georgia my whole life, and sometimes I have ride-alongs that come from other parts of the states, and they'll come out here and they will be blown away. They say, Courtney, look at all this greenery. It's so green here. And I'm like, oh yeah, it is. Because I've been here my whole life, so but then when I go somewhere, like I remember the first time I flew into Nevada, Vegas, I was blown away by all those red rocks and those, you know, mountains. So anyway, guys, me and Tavares about to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm treating the floors, as you can see, and I'm going to walk just to show you. Just rub my see that, guys? So there is a very small coat of some type of finish on here. Cleaners probably put Bona polish or something on here, quick shine. So that's what we are taking off. I'm going to do this in small sections. I'll tell you one thing, these meta glasses makes my recording so much easier. If you guys look at that property, I went to the one we started yesterday in Midtown, that commercial property. I recorded that whole video with my Meta glasses. All right, I'm gonna kind of stop here. Yep, nice, nice, nice. All right, guys, keep everything got here. Oh, that is beautiful. That is beautiful. Wow. All right, guys, get to it. Let me show you. Now, one thing about these wax removal jobs, you got to be very careful. See that, guys? Look at that. Wow, look at that. Wow. Because it gets very, very slippery. All right, T, go ahead and turn me on. Put that pressure down a little bit. No, you turn it up. Oh. That's good. Same process, but what I'm doing, I remember my client showed me what they put on the floor. So it wasn't like it was like some type of polish. So it's not coming up like the typical wax. Now it is coming up, but I still see a little residual left. So what I'm going to do, guys, is just go and lightly abrade the floors down just to get that top layer off, as you see I'm doing now. Then we're going to clean the floors and then put a coat of Restore back on the floors. So this is just making it more efficient. This is just making it more efficient where I'll get a better process. And that's one thing to always remember. All waxes and polishes are not the same. One of the worst ones is Rejuvenate. If it's too much Rejuvenate on the floor, guys, I just turn it down, tell them to either have it sanded or replace it. Because Rejuvenate is a mixture of acrylic waxes and also a polymer sealer. So it's almost like trying to get a sealer off. Now, if they got a few coats, yeah, we can get it off. But, you know, they got 4 or 5 coats, or they've been putting it down for 5 or 10 years. No, just get it replaced and sanded. Okay, so this is so much better. So much better. All right, guys, stay tuned. Now, what I'm about to do is spray this to get it wet a little bit. Oh, what you about to ask me to do what now? What you about to say you want me to do what now? I said you want me to go ahead and start screening back down. When I'm about to go up here. I was getting a little wet because it'll start peeling up that wax and clogging up my pad. Oh yeah, so much better. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, you're right. It does look more
Yep.
better, you know?
All right, guys. Well, we're done. Mr. Jeff is very, very happy with the services. Home is going through a lot of renovation. So one of the things with the floors, they just moving stuff in here and there. They got a lot of little scuff marks that you guys saw. So yeah, man, these floors came out really, really good. And guess what? Jeff is going to let us come back and clean and seal these quartz. Beautiful, beautiful stone. You can just feel the veins in them. So we're going to come back either next week or the following week, because I'm going to Boston for the first time next Friday and Saturday. Jeff is just giving me some history on Boston. But either we're going to come back, but yeah, we're going to clean and seal these next week. This part right here. I might even try to buff up here. So yeah, guys, so that's going to do it. Floors look amazing. Looks good, Jeff?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. So you guys will see us back here next week doing the countertops. We're about to go do one more consultation in Alpharetta. And then tomorrow we have two projects. We have a Screen Recoat and a countertop in Loganville, and then we have a basement concrete cleaning in Beaufort. And then Saturday I just booked the in-home consultation in Cummings, and we also have a Screen Recoat with UV cure and countertops on in Cummings on Saturday. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.